Hey everyone, welcome back to TKCODE. Today, we're going to dive into C programming, and together, we'll write a simple yet powerful program. We're starting our program. First, we need a variable to store the user's input. Now, let's ask the user to enter an integer. We'll use printf for output. And here, we're reading the user's input using scanf and storing it in our variable. Time for a decision. We're using an if-else statement to check if our number is even or odd. If our condition is true, we print that the number is even. If it's not true, we print that the number is odd. Finally, we return 0 to indicate that our program executed successfully. We did it. We wrote a simple C program together. I hope this walkthrough was helpful for you. If you have questions or want more tutorials, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow coding enthusiasts. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy coding.